Thank you so much, and we will now take questions, and Representative Kern, you are first.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I have a few questions. Dr. Barresi, you mentioned that Common Core standards are not mandated by the federal government.
Will you speak into the mic, please? Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am. You mentioned that Common Core standards are not mandated by the federal government, and yet in September of this year, in order to get a waiver, you have to accept Common Core standards. Tell me how that is not a mandate. Then I'd also like to ask, say you keep mentioning homegrown curriculum. We only get 15% that we can add on to the 100%. You mentioned a number of things. When do we use up our 15%? Also, can we not, as Oklahomans, develop our own teacher skills? We do not already have information programs doing that. And 15%, do you think 15% is really local control? And I don't mean to be rude, but I would like to say I've been in a number of interim studies over the years, and very few times have presenters been insulted by another presenter. And I do not appreciate your condescending attitude that you gave toward my presenters. We're presenting both sides of the issue, and that's what this discussion is all about. You don't have to try to insult us to make your point.
Well, Representative Kern, if I seem to be insulting, I definitely apologize to your presenters. But just as I said, I'm very concerned in the past year to 2 years that there seems to be really a confusion